Namaskar friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about value of chemistry. What is chemistry? In single sentence I will say chemistry is a branch of science and is the study of molecules, matter, that is material. And what is science? Science is a scientia is a Latin word means knowledge. The whole thing we do is chemistry. All matter is made up of chemicals. We breathe, eat, run, speak, dance, sing, play, or just sit. Chemical reactions occur. It is essential to our survival and leads our investigations into the human body, earth, food, materials, energy, and anywhere and everywhere in between. For meeting our basic needs of food, clothing, shelter, health, energy, clean air, water, and soil, chemistry plays vital role. Also plays an important and useful role towards the development and growth of number of industries. For example, glass, cement, paper, textile, leather, dye, paints, pigments, petroleum, sugar, plastics, pharmaceuticals, etc. Chemistry facilitates to solve upcoming crises such as sustainable energy and food production, managing our environment, and providing safe drinking water and promoting human and environmental health. The most important innovations in chemistry that have improved to shape the direction we are living. One aspect of chemical innovation that is largely taken for granted but is essential to the day-to-day life of humans. Now are the display screens in smartphones, televisions, computers. These devices use molecules known as liquid crystals to control light and images, which gives them their name LCD, that means liquid crystal display screens. The primary components of the computers are microchips that comes in silicon. The use and properties of silicon are discovering by chemistry. The laptop's main body is made up of plastic. That is also the composition due to the chemical industry. Light emitting diodes, LED, displays are more durable and consume less energy. Chemistry has been largely responsible for shaping society. From developing stronger material for large scale construction down to what kind of cosmetic products we use every day. Society has benefited immensely from advances in the field, with the few key discoveries outlined here. Just a small cross section of the chemical innovations that have driven society's development. Inventions in chemistry have made a huge impact and continue to have vast potential. The importance of chemistry in defense can be understood by the simple fact that all the weapons such as missiles, bullets, bombs, etc. use explosives which are the result of chemistry. Explosives are chemical substances that gives a huge amount of energy in the form of heat, light and sound on burning in a very short interval of time. We also need to ensure that we use them consciously to ensure sustainability into the future. Thank you very much. Please give thumbs up and share this video to your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel. See you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.